Hey guys, Pop Scrap here again, and today I'm taking apart this electric heater free. I took out already the Phillips screws. There was 9 of them all together in it, so I'm taking them apart. Just want to show you one thing before I go on. I was doing an acid test with my metal detecting the gold I get, and I spilled 14 karat gold acid on my fingers. And it's absolutely, as you can see, the line's going up. This is about 3 days ago. That's why I haven't been doing any videos. It's burnt the fingers of me. That's dead skin, as you can see there now. Burnt all up to the top of my finger here, and down inside this cut. I was screaming for about an hour in pain when I did it. That was stupid of me not wearing gloves. But anyway, it's healing up now. But it burnt me bad, it did. So, as I said, what it was, you know, I do metal detecting and stuff, and I get a few bits of gold now and again, and I was one of them just testing it. I couldn't make out the hallmarks, and so I was just testing what carat gold it was. So, but I'm fine now again. I can feel again, kinda, but not where I burned myself. But it'll heal up. I took the screws out the back of it, so this should come off easy enough. So I'm going to cut this here. This copper wire, there's no plug on it. I'm going to strip this in, so put that to the side. This lid should pop off easy enough. Not expecting too much in it, but you never know. We'll cut these wires here first. Just give me something to move around with. So we have this here. This is tin. What else have we got here? We have these little fluorescent bulbs inside it. They'll be no good really, so we'll take this off here. Try and loosen this off. Get a bit of brass on it and that. Try and take every bit of it I can. So as you can see, there's the brass part on it. Just cut that off. Put that into the brass bucket. There's another one here. Two bits of wire. Well, I took that screw off there. There's another nice piece of brass here. So we'll add that to the brass pile. Another piece of wire. There's plenty of little bits of brass on this. Bits of brass and wire. As you know, I get all this stuff from my contacts, and I have to take them to scrap them. Another nice piece of brass. But once I'm quiet like this, I don't mind scrapping stuff like this out. Usually what I do with this, I know there's a lot of plastic in it, but there's still steel. I throw it into my scrap steel into shred. But anymore, I'm scrapping out the stuff. I'm trying to get as much non-ferrous metals as possible. So a couple more bits of wire. So like a switch this is. You can get it off. You know, kind of pop this off there. There we go. This should pop out. Just to get a flathead for that. Just to pop underneath that, that's a switch. There'll be silver contacts under that. So you can get this bit of brass out. There we go. A few bits of brass and pieces in that, we'll take that out in a later date. That's just a plastic casing. So on that now, that will go as is into steel, scrap steel, because there's no other bits for me to be taken off that. I'll leave that there because a bit of plastic will be extra weight. So we'll undo these screws here, undo this wire. And typical their safety bit, so let's cut that here. More little bits of wire, just comes down, which it doesn't. I'm just going to get that bit of brass. That all came off together. Nice little piece of brass here. More wire. Nice little bits of brass. A piece of copper. So it all adds up, guys. For a little thing like this, I didn't need to be as much brass in it. There's brass in absolutely everything, so take everything apart. That's what I've learned over the years. Another piece of brass. Now we're trying to get into this. Let's see if we've got anything else. Be sure I'm not missing anything. So as I said, I'm sorry I haven't put videos out now the last couple of days. It's another piece of brass, guys. As I said, because my fingers and my hands are so sore, I wasn't able to do it. So that's basically it, guys. That'll go into tin, this will go to the plastic for recycling, and that'll go to a scrap steel. You can nice little pieces of brass here and bits of wire, all add up after a year of it. So here's another nice quick video for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.